Melody Magic Kids.
Splash, splash in the ocean blue. 5 little fish swam 2 by 2. Wiggly tails and shiny fins. Let's see what adventure begins. 5 little fish went out to play over the reef and far away. Mama fish called, blub, 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 but only 4 little fish swam back to the hub. 4 little fish found a coral cave, danced and twirled, they were brave. Mama fish called, don't go too far. Only 3 little fish heard her from afar. 3 little fish met jellyfish bright, glowing pink and shining light. Mama fish called, time to come back. Only 2 little fish stayed on track. 2 little fish found a crab band, drumming shells upon the sand. Mama fish called, dinner's near. Only 1 little fish could hear. 1 little fish swam all alone, feeling lost and far from home. Then came dolphin, big and kind. Let's find your family, come behind. Splash, splash through waves they sped, past coral, pink and seaweed bed. Dolphin called, here's your crew, and 5 little fish came swimming through. 5 little fish now sing and play near Mama's tail, they'll safely stay. Listen well and swim nearby, and you'll be safe beneath the sky. Splash, splash all around, happy fish in the ocean sound. Blub, blub, wave goodbye, see you again beneath the sky.
Thanks for watching.